Hey everyone, real estate broker Sean Kanja here. Had a quick tip I wanted to talk about. So, one thing that I really highly believe in and I think is really important is as a person, no matter what you're doing, if you're in sales, if you're in marketing, if you're in design, you need to believe in yourself at a level of 10 out of 10. And you need to believe in your company at a level of 10 out of 10. And in your product at a level of 10 out of 10. This is really important because if you don't truly believe in yourself, your company, and your product at the highest level, then how are you going to possibly show someone or enlighten someone that they need to be using your product or that you need to sell them your product? And I'm not saying to fake that you like your product item, but when you find that product or that service or when you get to a point in your life where you believe in yourself and you believe in that company, that service at the highest level, then that's when you've found your calling, essentially, or even hopefully what you were destined to do. And then at that point, you'll be able to better serve your clients or potential clients to get them to see the value and to live their best life. You always need to make sure you've done the research, you know everything you can possibly know to best serve and best understand your product or your service. So that way, when you are, again, selling it to explain to somebody or trying to show somebody that this can benefit and this can change their life, that you truly feel that way because you understand it, you've used it yourself, you believe in it yourself, you believe in your capabilities and your understanding because you've put in that work and you've gotten to that point. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.